So we are gathered at the Midrand Gallagher estate, and we are celebrating the partnership between First Distribution and Huawei, as well as a number of other partnerships within the IT and cloud space. I think that one of the big pluses for Huawei Cloud is that they are a market disruptor. So if you look at the more traditional legacy vendors, let's call them, they are very entrenched in what they do here in South Africa. Huawei and partnering with Huawei Cloud gives you the opportunity to disrupt these partners. They are very aggressive in pricing, they are very supportive from a vendor perspective, and should you choose to partner up with FD and Huawei, you'll not only have the support from the vendor Huawei, you'll also have the support from the distributor, which is First Distribution. So I really like these events, and why I attend a lot of these events is because we do a lot of lead generation. So it gives me as a distributor an opportunity not only to speak to our partner community, but also some end users. So we like to use this as an opportunity to grow our network and to speak to partners that are already in the industry, as well as potential end users that could use the solutions and products from Huawei Cloud.
I think the expectation today is really for customers to understand the value proposition that Huawei brings, and also to understand that there's a multi-cloud opportunity for every business to invest in. Huawei works very closely with the partner ecosystem. What they've created is something quite unique and a lot of benefits, especially if we look at things like support from a POC perspective, really to get the customer comfortable with the cloud and then going into a production environment.
Looking to hear a lot more about the Huawei Cloud, what do they have to offer, and the direction that in which the country is taking, particularly the government departments with regards to the cloud, and how well are we adapting, and organizations are now starting to realize that there's actually much more value to be derived from going into the cloud. In the past, there was lots of resistance in terms of security and all those other factors. So from what I'm seeing, that the future is really quite exciting, and I think it's something that is just going to explode. Actually, Huawei has been very good. They've been providing quite a lot of good training to the partners, and the adoption journey amongst the partners to ensure that we all get accredited with the Huawei certifications and cloud accreditations and so forth, they've been quite helpful. So the journey has been great, and they do provide quite a lot of support and lots of funding as well, just to make sure that we are also able to be in a position where we are able to support our partners, our clients as well.
Well, I'm expecting to hear what's next, what's coming to the region, particularly in the cloud space, and what's next in the channel. How we will be supported and how we will be activated to sell Huawei Cloud into the continent. The standout thing from Huawei Cloud was actually having access to their technical capacity. It's almost unrivaled to actually say, can I speak to an engineer about this, to speak to my customer about that, and it's there, and you can speak to someone. So that part has been exceptional, and the rest of the channel experience too. You know, it's been great. Very low friction, very well organized. So certainly Huawei Cloud is quite mature as a cloud platform. I think more mature than what we expected when we first started engaging. They've obviously been doing a lot of work in China before expanding to the continent. So what we're finding is a mature channel and services that punch one-to-one with the other large hyperscalers.
This is Huawei Cloud's first official event as Huawei Cloud. Normally they integrate with the enterprise events. It's been good. I mean, we started our journey with Huawei in 2019, shortly after their launch in 2018. We had some applications and services that we were trying to put a solution together offering for our customer base. And there's been brilliant year-on-year growth for Huawei and for us, and it's been a mutually beneficial relationship. And although Huawei have been in this cloud journey for about 6 years now, since 2018, it is a difficult market, and the smaller partners often find it difficult to get into the market. So we want to connect with partners, help them, and obviously connect with customers as well, and help them with their businesses going forward.